you are not only putting yourselves at risk, you're also risking the lives of your parents, your grandparents, and other vulnerable people in the community.
That is Governor Hogan with a stern warning as COVID-19 cases among young people spike at an alarming rate. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Nicole Baker. The governor is now also urging anyone who is traveling out of state to get a test as we are seeing cases surge nationwide.
Now, overall, the key coronavirus numbers we are watching, they are going in the wrong direction over the past couple of days. For the second straight day, it's not a trend, but we should be concerned.
We have live team coverage for you tonight. Let's begin with WJZ investigator Mike Hogan with everything the governor had to say earlier this afternoon. Hey, Mike.
Hi, Nicole and Rick. We are still pretty good compared to most other states, but the governor warned that this virus is not behind us, and he urged young people to avoid crowded bars, house parties, and other large gatherings. Coronavirus cases among young people in Maryland have skyrocketed. Governor Hogan urged people to get tested.
The positivity rate among Marylanders under the age of 35 is now 83% higher than Marylanders who are 35 and older. And an increasing number of COVID-19 cases have been connected to noncompliance with public health requirements.
The governor pushed local leaders for enforcement of mask wearing in bars and restaurants so they don't have to close.
Some of them were completely, blatantly not following the rules. We're really concerned about our small business owners. We're concerned about those people who work in those restaurants. We want to get people back to work, we want to get our economy, and we want to keep people safe. So at this point, we're trying to crack down on the bad apples without killing the entire industry and all those folks that work there and causing more unemployment.
Teachers' unions have pushed the governor for online-only instruction to start the new school year. Prince George's County is doing just that and will not have in-person classes at least until February.
I really do think many people would love to see the kids get back to school. I certainly would. But I also don't want to send kids back to school if it's going to cause major issues.
Until we can get a proven response to the coronavirus, it is reckless to ask parents to return their children to school buildings.
The surge in coronavirus cases has not hit Maryland as hard as states to the south and west, but hospitalizations have risen for 2 straight days, and the state has also seen more than 700 new cases for the past 2 days.
Even when you're outdoors, if you're within a 6-foot vicinity to other people who are not your own immediate family members, please put on that mask.
On the economic front, the governor announced a major theft scheme involving more than $500 million in fraudulent unemployment claims. He says that a criminal enterprise had been taking people's identities. They are working with federal authorities to make arrests in that scheme, and he says that the state's unemployment system has not been breached. We're going to go in depth on that coming up, all new at 7 o'clock. For now, reporting live, Mike Helgren, WJZ.